Greg.
If I'm on the phone, you don't need to bump into me over here. That was very rude.
Okay, Doug. Okay. No, you know Doug, or he can reach out.
Walk right into me.
Anybody that's ever come into the city, well, I gotta be honest, you know, this is what we're doing. You can come here anytime you get it.
It works, John. Work. Oh my God, I missed your trade. All good? We're good.
So I am responsible to buy and sell those shares. So the way the U.S. markets operate